Hello everyone, welcome to the Cmallforhappylife channel. Natural Burmese jade is often considered to bring good luck, but many times people say to hang the jade with an ordinary rope. Today we will use the wire winding method to make a fashionable and beautiful jade jewellery. This is a very beautiful natural jade piece buckle. Today's tutorial is to make a simple jade piece buckle ring and earrings. We will make the ring first, the wire material for ring. Wire 0.8 mm thick, 140 cm long, and 0.2 mm thick, 120 cm long. First, you need to know the number of the ring you want to make, and then wrap the 0.8 mm wire in the middle position 3 times around the ring number corresponding to the ring rod. Remember not to overlap the circles. Then, take the wrapped ring and place it on the wooden ring stick. At this time, because the ring is not fixed yet, it is easy to fall apart. Be sure to hold it tightly and then use 0.2 mm wire to wrap it around the ring as shown in the video. Go up and fix the ring. There are no special requirements here, just wind it slowly and tighten it without overlapping. This process is quite long. I will skip ahead to save time. After the ring is ready, put on the jade buckle and then use 2 tailors of 0.8 mm wire to start winding the flower. Twist and wind the 2 wires at the same time. Remember, the hand should be pressed in the direction of the safety buckle as much as possible so that the flowers will look good. Finally, bend the tail of the thread in a small circle and hide it. This will prevent the tail from being exposed and hurting your hands. In this way, the ring is ready. Doesn't it look good? Now we make earrings. Earrings need the wire, 0.8 mm thick, 25 centimeters x 2 PCs, and a pair of ear hooks. Fold the 0.8 mm wire as the video shown, and then hang the jade safety buckle. We need to make a small circle first. As shown in the video, fix the wire twist 2 times, and then use round nose pliers to make a circle about 8 mm away from the jade safety buckle on the longer wire. Then, as shown in the video, pass the short wire through the buttonhole of the safety buckle, twist it with the long wire, and start winding the wire to make the flower. Then the winding is the same as the ring. That is, you have to twist while winding, and then remember to press it with your hand. After making a pair, hang the ear hooks and you will have beautiful earrings. In the video, I used 14K gold-filled wire, which is more expensive and harder. If a novice wants to practice, I recommend using copper wire of similar size, which is much cheaper. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me in making more great DIY videos.